This is the leader, multi-leader. This is the multi-leader. This is the multi-leader style tutorial. So we're going to talk about the multi-leader right now. Of course, we use multi-leader in our engineering drawing to place notes, to place tags on drawings, engineering drawings, architectural drawings, machine drawings, for those that are into that. So that is that. Also use multi-leader for graphical drawings. So now we're going into multi-leader. So this is the multi-leader style. This is the multi-leader style. I click it. The multi-leader style is up. Now I have to create, this is the standard leader, and this is an already leader I created. So I have to create a new leader style to show us how to start a new leader. This is a leader style, leader STD. If I want to use that leader, this is a new leader style. So the another leader form is going to pop up. Now in doing this, now I have to say the multi-leader. If I want multi-text, multi-text as my leader type, as my leader text here. If I want a multi-text, so that I can type multiple text, in AutoCAD. Then also text style, particular text style I want. If I want a particular text style, if I want to use standard, or I want to use a created text style, I want to use a created text style. I click on this form here, this little button here. I create a new text style. If I want to create a new text style, I say lead text. I say okay, lead text. Then I say R, Roman for Roman. I give it a particular height if I want. I say 0.2 for the height, or I say 1 for the height of the text. I apply. I say close. So if I come here now, sorry, I have to go back. If I come here now, I can say lead text for my text that I choose. Then my text angle, I don't want any angle. The text color, maybe I give it signer. Then the text height, I've already chosen it from my text style. So if I hadn't chosen it from my text style and I say standard, I'm going to set it the standard, the particular height here that I want, but I choose my lead text, my text format. So my text option for how do I want the justification? Do I want it always left to justify, or I want a frame, to hover around the text? Then the leader connection. How do I want my leader connection to be? Do I want it to be horizontal, my leader connection, or do I want it to be vertical this way? So this is the horizontal leader connection, and the left. Do I want all my text to be underlined? All the text are underlined here. If you look at that, if I remove my frame, you see that all the text are underlined. So I put back my frame, or I just want it to be middle. I want it to be at the middle of the text. At the middle of the text, the line gap, we can leave the line gap as 0.09. So okay, so we do that. So now the leader structure. So we go to say the constraints. How many, the maximum leader points we want to create. You can create as many as we can. You can create, leave it at 2 maximum leader points. We want the first segment leader, the leader landing settings, and all that. The scale annotative. I've told you I'm going to talk about the scale annotative in a different video tutorial, because that has to come in detail, because this is a tutorial for beginners. Annotative has to come in a different video. So now this is a leader format. I want leader, this is the type of format I want. I want to be spline, I want it to be straight. I know you are wondering, why is it a spline? Okay, so we can leave it straight for engineering drawing purpose. So leader color, the general, we can leave it to be red text. So the line type, leave it to be block, leave it by block, But I prefer it to be by layer. That means when we talk about layer, I go to stress more on why I prefer it to be by layer. So, but for the purpose of this exercise, let's leave it to be by block. So arrowhead, let's leave our arrowhead to be, let's say 0.2. and I want our arrowhead to be close blank and our leader break to be 0.12. So that is that. So if I okay it, this is the one I want to use, and I say set current and I close. So now if I want to create a leader right here now, I don't have a leader right here in my interface now. All I have to do, now you pay attention, you type, since this is a leader, a multi-leader style, so I type M leader, so I type enter. So it's asking me here, it says specify the leader arrow location. I specify the leader arrow location. This is the arrow location, this is where I want it to be, and I drop. Now it is going to ask me my text. How my text is big, it's kind of big. Let's erase and go back to our leader style and change the text. Let's change the text height. The content, the text height is very big, so let's use the standard text. Let's use 0.2. Let's okay it. So now that is okay. This set it current and close. So now M leader again. This is specify the arrow location. Specify this. See, the arrow is not coming out. If you said the arrow has to be kind of proportional to the text, so that the arrow has to be visible. So we'll leave this way and drop it. Now when we drop this, the text, multi-text, is now going to pop up. I cannot text what I want to text. To show that it's a multi-text, I say enter, because I selected the multi-text option there. So the multi-text, okay, and I say okay. Remember we put a rectangular hovering on top of it. So maybe say this is a circle. Sorry, escape. So maybe say this is a circle here, a drawing here, and I want to label. Say this is the label for this circle. So that's what the leader does. In any type of drawing you want for any purpose. So if you also want another type of leader, if you want this type of leader, if you want it to be a spline type of leader, you come here, leader format, come here straight, spline, and okay. You see, set current, and okay. Type M leader. Don't worry about the typing, the commands and all that. That will be in a different video, in a detailed different video. I'm going to give you as much as commands that I can remember in AutoCAD, because I can know all, but I will give you hundreds of them, like up to 100 for you to use for your design, drawing and all that. So you see, and I draw. Why did this change to explain? Because it was a straight, because I set the current leader, I made it set, I said set current here. That is why this changed to explain. So that is why if you have multiples of leader in your interface, in your drawing, and you change it here to explain and say set current all the leader, that is the purpose of this text dimension table and leader style, is to make a general setting on your work, to make it very, very easy, not for you to be editing one by one text to another, one dimension to another. So you can just come here and make a general settings to your table, leader, dimension on a table. This is the close of our thing. This comes to the close of our styles, AutoCAD 2D. Our next, please, I want you to catch me in my next video. Thank you.